Hello, teacher Shelby here. Welcome to Conversa. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the prepositions in, at, and on in English. 3 easy words, but they can be a little confusing. This is in the park or at the park. On Monday or in Monday. No te preocupes. Hoy vas a aprender cómo y cuándo usar cada una con muchos ejemplos. Let's go. We're going to start with at. Vamos a empezar con at. We use at for specific locations or points in time. Here's some examples. I'm at the door. Estoy en la puerta. I'm at the door. A specific location. She's at the bus stop. Ella está en la parada del autobús. She's at the bus stop. A specific location. We're at the party. Estamos en la fiesta. We're at the party. A specific location. Or, I'll see you at 5 o'clock. Te veo a las 5. A specific hour or specific time. I'll see you at 5 o'clock. The store opens at 9 a.m. La tienda abre a las 9 de la mañana. A specific time, specific hour. The store opens at 9 a.m. in the morning. Usa at cuando hables de un lugar o una hora específica, un punto exacto en el mapa o en el reloj. Now, preposition number 2, in. In is used when something is inside an enclosed space or a general location or a general time, like months or years. Let's look at our examples. For place, I'm in the house. Estoy en la casa. I'm in the house. She's in the car. Ella está en el carro. She's in the car. We are in the room. Estamos en el cuarto. We are in the room. We are in the office. My office. Estamos en mi oficina. We are in the office. Now, for time, months and years. Okay? I was born in September. Nací en septiembre. I was born in September. So in with months and years. We'll travel in 2026. Viajaremos en 2026. This is a year. So in with months and years. In September, in 2025. Usa in cuando estás hablando en algo adentro o un tiempo general como un mes o un año. Preposition number 3, on. On. Use on when something is on top of a surface or for specific dates and specific days. So, some examples of place. The book is on the table. El libro está en la mesa. The book is on the table. Or there's a picture on the wall. Hay una foto en la pared. There's a picture on the wall. Now, time examples are for specific days and dates. I have English class on Monday. Tengo clases el lunes. It's a specific day, un día específico. I have a class, an English class, on Monday. Or the party is on July 4th. Es a date. La fiesta es el 4 de julio. Una fecha específica. The party is on July 4th. Usa on para superficies y días específicos. Piensa en algo encima de otra cosa o una fecha o día en el calendario. Hey, are you ready for a quiz? First, I have mi gatito Benito acá. It's quiz time. Pero first, let's have a little cheat sheet. Para mis venezolanos, una chuleta, right? Okay, at is for an exact location or exact hour. In is for inside something, right? Or a general time like months and years. On is for on a surface or a specific day or date in your calendar. Now, I have 10 questions for you. Let's try our quiz. Number 1, I live New York. I live in New York. Number 2, the keys are the table. The keys are on the table. Yes. Number 3, we'll meet 7 p.m. We'll meet at 7 p.m. Number 4, she was born August. She was born in August. Okay, number 5, he is waiting the bus stop. He is waiting at the bus stop. Yes, halfway there, 5 done, 5 more to go. The picture is the wall. The picture is on the wall. Yes, number 7. There's a spider. The bathroom. There's a spider in the bathroom. Oh! Number 8. The concert is Friday night. The concert is on Friday night. Number 9. We're having dinner a new restaurant tonight. We're having dinner at a new restaurant tonight. And number 10, my phone is my backpack. My phone is in my backpack. Okay, how did you do? Did you get a 100? 100%? 100%, claro, no? I hope this was a good video. It helped you understand these 3 tricky prepositions in, on, and at. Let me know if you need more help, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!